You need to pack. Start packing. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I would love to have you here as part of the family. Everything you need to know is down below. I would love to be your personal life coach, help you start that business, talk about your kingdom marriage, help you get out of that rut. Sign up for a one-on-one encouragement call. Single and Ready series, July 20th. Are you that woman that you dream about? What does your spouse need? Are you doing too much? What is your spouse complaining about? We need to fix some things. Join me, Single and Ready series, PD Society Circle, this Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Curses. Are there any curses following you? Has anyone put a curse on you? Is there a curse that's been lingering around you? Your spouse. Is your spouse in disobedience? Because if your spouse is in disobedience, well, we know what happens when there's disobedience in the room. Let's talk about it. PD Society Circle this Sunday. I just gave another word. This is a part 2 word. And this word here, I came from a dream that I had, and this individual was packing, but there were a lot of distractions around. But the individual was trying to pack, and there were haters around, and there was mockers around, and there was jealous folks around. As this individual was trying to pack, he had a lot of distractions. I don't know if God told you to pack up and leave a friendship or relationship, pack up your house, move to another city, pack up because you're going on a trip. I don't know if a trip is headed your way. I don't know if a vacation, a staycation, something is going to happen. We're going to have to pack and get ready to go. This is serving as confirmation for many, and I just wanted to come and give it to you. Watch out for distractions. Watch out for your friends that when you tell them my spouse has returned and we're taking a trip, or he wants to take me here and settle things or whatever, watch the jealousy, because they're going to want the things that you and your spouses have. They're going to want the things that are seeming to come so easily in this season for you, because here at Prophetic Diary, we're anxious for nothing. This month of July, we're anxious for nothing. So they're not going to understand why you're not anxious. They're not going to understand why you're not worried. Girl, why are you taking him back? You're just going to go back that easily? You're just going to let that? Yes, I am. I'm trusting God. I'm anxious for nothing. You need to pack, or you're going to be packing soon, right? So this word is serving as confirmation for you. If you felt led to it, hashtag start to pack. Start to pack. And I'm being reminded right now, Rebecca, when Isaac was, looking for a wife, and Rebecca was chosen, she had to pack very quickly. Hope this serves as confirmation for you. See you a little later. Bye-bye.